Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Kersti. Welcome back to my channel. It's so good to have you guys. As you guys can see from the title of this video, we have another twist style remix. Yes. But before we get into all of the tea about my twists, I would like to send a huge thank you to everybody who is spreading the word on that braiding hair that was acting a whole mess on my beautiful cornrows. If you have not watched my how to feed in cornrows with Kanekalon braiding hair, I'll put it here, like the little link card. Click it, watch it. The braid style was so pretty, but you know, the braiding hair like just ruined it for me. So I was like, ugh. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for all of your likes. If you guys like the content that I do provide, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you want more content like this, make sure you hit the like button so I'll know to create more styles like this. So without further ado, let's get right into it. For my gel, I'm using the ORS Olive Oil Sweet Almond Oil Edge Control. It has a great hold. It's pretty new. I love it, and Syria recommended it to me. I'm also going to be using the Tahiti Curl Crochet Hair for my twist. I used 3.5 packs to achieve the fullness and the length that I have. I did pre-part my hair. I'm starting on clean, freshly detangled hair. It's pre-parted in the back from ear to ear, about 8 sections, and in the front I have about another 8 rows. That will all be equally divided. Okay, after you have pre-parted your hair, you're going to go ahead and take your product, apply it to the perimeter of your part. Now, after I applied my gel to my part, I went ahead and grabbed my Tahiti curl hair, and I'm going to take that hair and get 4 pieces, and I'm going to overlap them over one another so that way it's longer and extended, because I want my twist to be long. I'm pretty short. I'm 5'3", so when I say long, like the standard braiding hair is pretty long on me. So that's just a tip for you guys. You know, so if you want longer twists, you just have to extend the way that you overlap them. Once you overlap your Tahiti curl hair, you're going to go ahead and start your twist as a box braid. Then after you start it as a box braid, you're going to go ahead and transition into a twist. And I'm just showing you guys how I have my hair parted into 4 sections in the back. I'm not totally concerned with the most neatness because, one, it was like 11 o'clock at night and I really just was doing my hair because I have somewhere to be and I didn't want to be, you know, dealing with it, especially in this heat. So I wanted you guys just to see you know, how I was parting it in the back. Okay, twists are a little bit more forgivable, especially in the back. Like, nobody's really checking for that. When you get to the front, like, that's where you want to be super careful and a little bit more you know, mindful of what you're parting and how you're braiding. In case you were wondering, I am using that clip to reduce the tension at the root of my twist, just because the further I go down, the faster and a little bit, you know, the faster I twist, and it is pulling, so I just don't want to have any hair loss or any problems. So I just put that clip there to reduce the tension that comes along with braiding and twisting down. Here's a shot of the front, pre-parted and ready for my twists. I did plait all of my braids in the front just so that way I have a little bit more grip as I do my twists. It's almost like doing the rubber band method without the rubber band. So for those of you who do not want to use rubber bands, try this method. Here's a shot of me preparing my actual twist hair. So I'm taking 6 strands of the crochet hair. I wanted my front to be a lot fuller, so that's why I'm getting 6 strands. In the back of my head, I did use only 4, maybe 5 strands for some twists. Now I'm just showing you guys, you want to take the end of 3 of those twists and pull it like this to kind of mat it up and frizz it up and stretch it out. Then you want to go to the end of your other hair and do that same thing. Then you're going to overlap them just like so. You want to overlap them so that way it's extended and long, but not like overly long. So this is perfect for me. First thing you're going to do is take your plait. You're going to apply some gel to the perimeter of it just to ensure that once you twist it into your twist, it's going to stay put and it's not going anywhere. I'm going to go ahead and leave the clip not sped up. I want you guys to see in real time what it looks like when I start this twist off. This is my hair. I've already stretched it. So here we go. Kersti Pitre. Produced by now that I've come to the point where I've already, started my hair in this box braid, it feels secure enough, so I'm going to switch into a twist. Now you want to switch into the opposite side of where your braiding hair is and begin twisting. And when you twist, you want to twist both sides at the same time to ensure that your twist is moving. It's, coming along nicely. So I'll show you right here. When you twist, you want to twist like this. Both fingers twist. And you just keep doing this motion until you reach the end of your twist, and it will not unravel, it will not come loose. And this is not sped up, this is real time. You should be able to take care of this. Now, I do use my teeth to hold this twist because they get pretty long. They get really long, and it's a little bit difficult to keep that tension as I twist. So, I'm getting closer and closer to the bottom. I just want you guys to see 100% how this twist is done. And these are my favorite, you guys. Comment down below if you have worn passion twist, if you've worn kinky twist, if you've worn any type of twist, Senegalese. Comment down below your favorite or what was your worst experience or just your best experience. Now, take a look here. I'm showing you the ends are not tapered. They are stretched, so I've got a long way to go. And I'm just going to keep twisting until I'm done. Once you let go of your twist, it is going to kind of curl up on itself. So you want to go ahead and hold it at the root, as you see that I'm doing there. And then go ahead and stretch it out gently as possible without, causing more frizz or anything like that. And voila, you should have a perfectly flexible twist. And you are all set, girl. Here is an up close angle. I wanted you guys to see what the twist looks like up close and no light. Now here I have two different size twists side by side. One I used, like these smaller ones here on the side, I used 4 pieces of hair to do each twist. I noticed it was a little bit thin and I kind of wanted it fuller. So once I got to the crown of my head, like right here, I actually used 6 pieces of the twist hair to create a chunkier twist and cover up the gaps. And you can see clearly which is the 6 piece and which is the 4 piece. It makes a really drastic change. So if you're thinking of doing these twists, take a look at these and see what you think will work for you. 4 pieces, 5 pieces, or 6. Let me know what you guys would do down below. To try these twists, try that out for yourself. I don't mind having it flatter back here. Ain't nobody looking at my head like that, seriously, in the back. If you are, all right then. But majority of people are looking here in the front, okay? So I wanted to make sure that the blonde streaks you could see when I do this. So I made sure that the blonde streaks were in the back. brown hair. So this last one, it's not brown. It's actually blonde. It was supposed to be brown, but it's fine because I have a lot of blonde here, so it just meshes right in. That's all I got for you guys. Comment down below if you guys tried passion twists from my last video. If you did not try them, what's holding you back? Let me know. Like, is it the you're not understanding how to actually start the braid? Is it you're not understanding, like, what is it that you're missing? So that way maybe I can make a dedicated small little video of like, okay, this is what you gotta do. Let me know, guys. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed this style. I love it. What do y'all think of this little streak of blonde? I tried to do a natural style and color for you guys, a natural color for y'all, but I had to throw in this little bit of blonde just to be extra. What do y'all think about it? Comment down below. Let me know if I should keep the blonde or let it go. I'm Kersti Pitre. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this content, and don't forget, if you want more content like this, hit that subscribe button. All right, bye.